in Mangalgiri cotton, hand embroidered sari in Mangalgiri cotton. See, beautiful, lovely, lovely Sindhi embroidery, lovely Sindhi embroidery. And the whole sari has this kind of a getup. Whole sari has this kind of a small buta, small Sindhi embroidery getup, and it's totally hand done. And this is the whole sari. Whole sari has, there is no place the embroidery is not done. Complete sari, and we have teamed it up with a khand fabric blouse piece. Khand fabric blouse piece. So this is the sari and the blouse, and the price of this is 3900. 3900. So this is another sari, 3900, and beautiful color for summer. Another sari is this is a Dhania Khali cotton, actually Dhania Khali cotton from Bengal. Dhania Khali cotton from Bengal, and with this ikat border, absolutely soft, nice and chiffony drape. So this is a hand painting resembling Rogan art, though this is not a Rogan art. So this is a hand painting resembling Rogan art. See the painting, beautiful painting, lovely, lovely, two peacocks. So it is inspired by kalamkari motif, inspired by kalamkari, and the body is plain. The body is plain and very, very beautiful blue color, very, very rich, beautiful blue color. Lovely sari. So the whole sari is this, like this. It's a plain sari, and that's the back. And I have given a modal silk ajrak blouse piece with this. So see this blouse piece, with the sari would look very nice and very smart for your drape. Price is 3800. 3800. Hand block design, shikarga hand block design. This is a lovely shikarga motif hand block design. The palla, oh, the whole sari I have opened. Anyway, this is the palla. This is the palla. The border, woven border. That's the whole sari. I have given this, Anna Pakshi kind of motif, and it's a beautiful sari. Since I've opened it, I can't help it. So it's a white, lovely, lovely white color. Somebody can, for summers, extremely beautiful. And see the fabric. The fabric is mesmerizing. The fabric is mesmerizing. So this is the palla, and that's the whole body. I have given a kantha, full kantha back, kantha work blouse piece with this. So this whole back, these are the sleeves work, and this is the back work. So this is the back blouse in kantha, in shadow kantha, shadow work, reverse kantha, not shadow, reverse kantha. Yeah, that the elements are open, elements are not done, unfilled, background is filled. This is so. And also this has this birds and this bird motifs, which actually can be nicely teamed up with the shikarga pallu. So this is the blouse and the sari. 3750. 37 cotton, beautiful. And in this ikat hand block is done. Ikat pattern hand block is done. That's the body. That's the body. So the whole body has this ikat pattern hand block. This ikat pattern hand block, beautiful one. And see the border. So when you see the border, the two borders like this, upper and lower border, upper border, lower this border, and the whole sari has this, and that is the woven palla. That is the woven palla. And this is the blouse, khand fabric blouse piece, Maharashtrian khand fabric blouse piece, which I have teamed up. See the color matching. The best part is that I really wreck my head off to match the designs, the colors, and when it comes to my own liking, I just love it. I just love it. So beautiful cotton, and everybody knows how an handloom chettinad cotton turns out. Very nice. The price is 4200. 4200. This is 4200. Another sari in Narayanpet, pure handloom cotton Narayanpet, and with this Jawabi block upar niche, running from the middle part running from the middle part. Very exclusive sari, very exclusive sari, hand woven Narayanpet sari. So this is the palla. I have given an outline lotus blocks like this, and this looks like a embroidery. See the block, it looks like embroidery. And this is the middle part where this Jawavi block is there. So the whole the whole sari, when you wrap around, this block comes in the whole picture. So that's the one. And this is the blouse. The blouse is plain from running. The blouse is plain from running. Fabric is extremely soft, very beautiful. So the price of the sari is 4800, 4800, and these are all handloom ones. There is no pal sari, cut work embroidery sari, where the cut work is done. This cut work is done, and see, and this has this tissue filling inside. So the back of this is organza, not tissue, organza filling. And so the flowers are being cut like this, the flowers. So the look of it is like this. This is this palla, this is the palla, and these are the embroidered motifs. And when we come to the pleats, the pleat has the pleat has this these floral patterns. The pleat, or the all over the pleat, this floral pattern comes. So I have teamed up this blouse sari with this khand fabric blouse piece with pink color. So you see the color matches. The color matches. You can actually wear a green color like this, or I can find out a green color if you want. Otherwise, this this blouse also matches with this. See, beautiful one. And this is priced at 3600, 3600. A Nagpur cotton with hand block Nagpur cotton sari, lovely for summer. With this is a temple hand block from Chitkul, very old temple hand block which has been inspired by this. So this is the combination. That's the upper border, that is the lower border. The palla is, and these weaves are inspired by Chanderi, but these are pure 100% cotton and pure handloom also. So these motifs are completely hand woven. And so this is the cotton, and the checks are coming in the weaving. The checks are in weaving. This line is in weaving, this line is in weaving, and this line, the warp line is along with the texture of the fabric, and the weft line is in weaving. So this is in weaving, this weft line is in weaving. So that's the whole sari. Extremely beautiful yellow color, and a mesmerizing sari. So this is the combination, this is the whole combination of the sari. Perfect for summer. And I have given this ikat blouse, orange ikat blouse with this, team up this orange ikat blouse with this. This is 3850, 3850. The sari is for 3850, 3850. And the last is, I feel like wearing all of them. That is mine. I don't know how I manages not to wear them, and my friends also keep asking me, how do you manage not to wear them? I said, yeah, what to do. So this is another. These are all the multicolored selvage like this woven. This is the hand block I have given, Worli hand block. The whole body has multicolored buttas, multicolored buttas, lovely multicolored buttas. And see, in this also there are color change. In this small space also color change. How beautiful, how beautiful. And this is the palla. The palla is very pretty in this kind of a palla, lovely palla. And so whole sari is like this, and this is the blouse I have teamed up, a khand fabric blouse piece with this sari. 3850, 3850. And the last, again, inspired palla. See the palla, the block. Have you seen the peach and gold block? Peach and neon green, and the peach and yellow block. So this is a Madurai cotton sari, with this hand block. The whole body texture, the whole body has a texture. Can you figure out? If I can show you, the whole body has a texture. Can you see? It's like batik. This is like batik. This texture is from, like, it is a batik effect it is giving. This is also hand block. And the lower part has this lovely rose sticks standing out. hand block. This part has a lovely root stick standing out, so the pleats will be mesmerizingly beautiful. The pleats are mesmerizingly beautiful. So the body has 3-part designing. One is palla, see the pleats. So alternate yellow and peach, alternate yellow and peach, alternate yellow and peach. Who can resist such kind of a sari? Who, a sari lover can never resist such kind of a sari, I am sure. So this is another, a khand fabric blouse teamed up with this. So these have this kind of a color combination. So this is the sari, this is the blouse, and the price of this is 3850. So all these are 3850. The last 3 ones are 3850. Woven jacquard weaving Bengal cotton sari. Bengal cotton sari. So this is a full body weaving. These saris are in full body weaving, extremely beautiful. And see the softness of this, and see the whole body is in weaving. Whole body is in weaving, and I have given a ikat hand block border, just a border pattern in ikat hand block. The whole sari is in weaving. This is the palla, these are the palla, these solid lines are the palla motif, and so this is the whole sari. And beautiful, tall, nice, and gives a kind of a silk thread look, though it is 100% cotton. This is the charisma of the weaving, which is giving this silken look. This is the charisma of the weaving. So with this I have given a very pretty and a very nice combination of a khand fabric blouse. So when you wear this sari and the blouse, you will just stand out in a crowd very well. So this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful and very unique. You will never find these combinations anywhere. I'm not boasting, I'm just saying. So this is 3050. So this is it, this is the combination. The completely beautiful woven lines in the whole body, and with this Vidarbha paneled border, block border I have given. See the Vidarbha paneled block. These are all inspired by Karwati Kinar Vidarbha Tasar sari. The blocks I have created out of that sari, that because the sari has a very popular weave from Nagpur, so, and my two states concept, so that holds. So this is the palla, this is the palla. See the palla, see the palla. Now can you see the palla? Such beautifully subtly elegant palla. And what I've done, I've given a ajrak hand block blouse with this, ajrak hand block blouse with this. So this is the sari, and this is the and there is this handloom mark which completely comes with the sari. So these are all hand woven saris, completely handloom saris, no palum. So this is, so the price of this sari is 3200. 3200. And quickly we come to this shibori. In Maheshwari, I have added a selvage border to it. So this is lovely Maheshwari with shibori. So this is the palla, completely hand done shibori, and so these camels are the lower border, This is the border which I have attached in the lower part. It was plain, it was completely plain, so it was just like this. This is plain border, this was the plain border woven. So I've just attached a beautiful border, and the whole sari is like this. So it's in magenta, shades of magenta, pink, then purple. I mean, beautiful shade actually, and whoever knows how beautiful are these shiboris would know. So this is, and this is only one sari available, and this is the blouse, this is the blouse piece. Okay, so this sari costs 4850. This sari costs 4850, and we have come to the end of this video, and thank you. So let me know if anybody is interested.